Hello, and welcome back to my math YouTube series. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Andrew, a local Bay Area tutor. I offer in-person and virtual tutoring, and I'm the one behind these helpful videos. Be sure to check out my website via the link in the video description below, and please give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Now, on to today's subject, even versus odd functions. We're going to talk about what each type of function is, and what makes them different from one another. Why don't we start with even functions? So even functions are symmetrical over the y-axis, while odd functions are symmetrical 180 degrees about the origin. Even functions have a highest power of x that is even, so x squared, x to the fourth, x to the sixth, while odd functions would be x, x cubed, x to the fifth. They'd be odd. For even functions, both ends either go up or down, while for odd functions, one end will decrease and the other will increase, or vice versa. I'm going to scoot these each to the side, and then we'll play a little game. I'll show some different functions, and we can see if we can figure out whether they're even or odd. Here's the first one. So which one, even or odd? What do you think? Since it's symmetrical about 180 degrees from the origin, and one end goes up and the other end goes down, this would be an odd function. Let's do another one. What do we have here? Even or odd? Since it's mirrored over the y-axis and both ends go up, it's going to be an even function. This time I'll do an equation. Is this one even or odd? Look at the highest power of x. It's even. It's a 4, so this is an even function. Now this one, if you look at the highest power of x, it's the 9, so it's going to be an odd function. Go back to some more graphs here. I'll make a slightly more challenging one. What do we have here? Even or odd? Both ends increase, so it's going to be an even function. Now I'm getting a little carried away with all these loops, but again, just to show you this fundamental concept. If one end goes the opposite way of another end, it's going to be an odd function. Now, we're going to determine the power from a graph. You can count the increasing and decreasing areas in order to get the highest power, and then also determine what power function it is. So see how there's two places where this is increasing and two places where this is decreasing? If we count them all together, this is a function that would look like x to the fourth. So if we took this other erratic example that I drew, where it increases 1, 2, 3 times and decreases 2 times, this is an x to the fifth function, which makes sense because it should be odd, as that's what we identified it as. I'll end here. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.